As we rotate the model, you can appreciate the unique spiraling parapet and the aerodynamic shape that defines the structure.
Clear the base. Make sure it locks in tight.
Confirmed. Panel secure. Ready for the next one. Make sure the rebar is secured at Sector 4.
We need more binders over here. Watch the line.
Okay, lift it slowly.
We need more ties over here.
All right, keep it coming slowly. Watch the flow over there.
All right, open her up. We're starting on the east side.
Copy that. Flow initiated. Keep an eye on the pressure. Keep it coming right here.
All right, watch your feet. Move it back a little.
We're getting high on the east side. Adjusting the flow now. Keep the vibrator moving. Keep it moving to the right. Watch the vibrator, don't hit the rebar. All right, bring it back slowly.
you cover the edge as well.
Yes, I'm getting that corner now. All right, bring the bundle down slow. Watch the rebar on the south side. Clear on the east side.
By engaging the hydraulics, the entire platform lifts itself. This advanced jump form technology is key to the rapid construction of the high-rise core.
Okay, reduce the flow slightly. Copy that, adjusting now.
Check the pressure on gauge 3. It's holding steady at 250 bar.
Confirmed. The alignment looks good.
As you can see, the 120-degree spiral is perfectly distributed from the base to the apex. The structural analysis confirms its integrity.
Curvature checks out here. How's the tolerance? Within spec. I'll log it now.
Hold steady on the east side.
Slow her down, she's catching the wind.
All right, bring it up 50 more feet.
We need to adjust the angle on this joint. Okay, I'll signal the crane operator.
The rotation on the lower beam is 32 degrees.
It matches the specification. Confirmed.
All right, take the tension. We are all clear up here.
is the key innovation, the pressurized air gap between the dual glass layers. It's how we achieved the world's first true double skin on a tower this scale.
Did you see anything right here?
No, that's clean. The panel is pristine.
All right, bring it up slow, easy now.
Watch your spacing on the left.
Clear on this side, lock it in.
Check the seal on this panel, it looks a little loose.
Yeah, I see it. Need to press it tighter against the concrete.
Hold it steady now. Easy, easy.
All right, lowering it down.
That should be enough water for today.
It looks perfect. Another oasis in the sky.
It is so beautiful up here.
I know, I could stay here forever.
A little more to the right, right there. Hold it steady while I secure the brace. Watch the left panel, easy now. Settle it down slowly.
Start the torque driver on that corner.
Engaging the bolt now.
Watch the cable coming up on level 40.
Roger that. Keep it steady.
According to the tablet, the glass alignment is off by 0.01%.
Adjusting the trajectory now. The seal must be perfect for high speed.
Look at that, 25 meters per second.
Confirmed. A new world record.
We have an alert on level 7 energy consumption.
Rerouting power now.
Okay, easy now. Watch the court. Yeah, I see it. Are we centered yet? A little more to the left.
We made it to the top! Hooray!
Look how small the Pearl Tower looks from here.
It's absolutely breathtaking. I can see our hotel